Namaskar, welcome to Yoga by Devidatta. Today I am going to show you a very magical and powerful mudra known as the Apana Vayu Mudra. This is so powerful that it is also termed as Sanjeevani Mudra. Sanjeevani is an herb which has a reference in Ramayana, and it is said that that herb can bring you back from the clutches of death. Similarly, this mudra also can bring you back from the clutches of death when you suffer from a heart attack. Of course, that doesn't mean that you should do this mudra only when you have an heart attack. So to do this mudra, you will touch the tip of the pointing finger or the index finger to the base of the thumb and the tip of the middle finger and the ring finger to the tip of the thumb with both the hands. See that you're touching the tip of the middle finger and the ring finger to the tip of the thumb. So you don't extend your fingers away. Try to keep the tip of the fingers touching the tip of the thumb. Then you place the palms facing upward on your lap. This mudra can be done sitting in cross-legged the way I am sitting, or you can simply sit on the chair or on your bed. Of course, this mudra can be done while you're walking, while you're watching TV, but I would prefer you doing this mudra in a meditative pose with your awareness on the breath. So you simply sit with the back erect, close your eyes and focus your awareness on the breath, taking slow and deep breaths in and slow and complete breath out. So initially do this mudra for 3 to 5 minutes, 2 to 3 times in a day, and gradually increase it to 10 to 15 minutes, 2 to 3 times in a day. Well, of course, this mudra serves like an injection when you suffer from a heart attack. But if you just want to keep your heart healthy, you can practice this mudra. If you already have certain blockages in your heart, you can practice this mudra. It helps you to cure or to release those blockages. It also helps you if you have irregular heartbeat, palpitation, and various other heart issues. So do try it and let me know in the comment box how do you feel. Thank you.